Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about pickles. Pickles are a type of food that has been around for centuries and can be found in various forms all around the world. They are made by preserving vegetables or fruits in a mixture of vinegar, salt, and spices. The most common type of pickles are made from cucumbers, but you can also find pickled carrots, onions, beets, and even eggs. There are many different ways to make pickles, and the method you choose will depend on the type of produce you are using and the flavor you want to achieve. Some people like to add a little sugar to their pickle brine to balance out the acidity of the vinegar, while others like to use spices like dill, mustard seed, or coriander to give their pickles a unique flavor. Pickles are a great addition to any meal and can be enjoyed on their own as a snack. They are also a popular topping for burgers and sandwiches, and can be added to salads for a little extra crunch. There are many health benefits to eating pickles as well. They are low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy snack option. They are also a good source of probiotics, which can help improve digestion and boost the immune system. So next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy snack, consider adding some pickles to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food-related content.